I am welcoming my friends, my brothers and sisters of the Nile Republic music crew. I welcome you all. You are here so we can plan a reunion, a very big reunion concert that will not be only in Gulu, it will be everywhere. I am really so honored to see you people honoring my request to meet you. My brothers and sisters, as the Nile Republic music family, I want to confirm to you that I am aware, very much aware of all the conditions that I myself put you people in the past. Because I associated with you people went through hell. When I left the country, some of you were being followed everywhere. You were denied access to stage. Even when our big people know that we as singers, most time we feed our family or families through performances that we make around. But it was so sad that when I left the country, no matter the story, how I left, but there was no humanity shown towards you, just because you people are my friends and you people are associated with me. Instead of some of these people thinking of actually helping you out of the difficulties that you were going through, many of them instead took advantage of the situation by fighting you and denying you access to income, even when they know that you have got families to feed. So brothers and sisters, I want to say I am very sorry for whatever problems or difficulties that I caused you people. It wasn't my intention. We are human. We make mistakes. Sometimes a mistake made by one person can cause problem for the whole community. Though mine was not a mistake, mine was running for my life. That's why I left you behind without informing you where I was going to. But because you are my friends and you were living with me as a family, so many people wanted to find out a lot of things about me through you. And they were planning arrest. They wanted to arrest some of you. And that's why when I was away, I decided to give my telephone number to everybody on air, because I was trying to actually protect you people. Because there was already a plan that Bosmic Otim can be traced through his boys and girls. And they already planned that they should start arresting you one by one, arresting all of you, so that you can show people where I am. So I decided to put my contacts public, so that no one could have excuse that, yeah, because you have Bosmic's contact, it means you are talking to him, show us where he is. I decided to go public with my contacts. That was one. Later again, when I realized they were again planning to arrest some of you for the same issue, I decided to come on social media, to remain on social media, so that the rest of you could not be disturbed. Since some people were claiming that security was looking for me everywhere. It is because that I love you, my people, my friends, my family, as a musical family. I decided to stay a distance from you people. And some of you thought that I was actually now dodging you people after putting you in problems, because you went through a lot. Now I'm trying to dodge you after putting you in problems. Someone even said it to me that, boss, now you have put us in shits and you are now trying to avoid us after putting us in shits. But because I never wanted, to come into disagreement with him so much on phone, I just left it like that. I just said, I'm sorry. Maybe one day you will understand. So ladies and gentlemen, today I am back home. And I am back home to make sure that the losses that you people got just because you associate with me, I should see a way of recovery.